Afternoon, folks. It's George Wright with the Snowdrifter Snowmobile Club out of Rumney. We're down here at the Sunset Grill. Driving by a little earlier, and I happened to spot these two old groomers here. One of them I actually videotaped last winter. This one here is newer. I don't know what year it is, but it's pretty cool. It's all boxed in. I don't know if Tom Wilson owns this or not. He might. But it's kind of like, I like the old one. Now that's the one that I took a video of last year. Going in alright. Not sure if that's an official groomer for Central New Hampshire Snowmobile Club now or not. But this one here sort of looks like almost like a tank or a cartoon or kind of like weird, all closed in. Maybe it was for the ski slopes. I think it's kind of neat. Sunset Grill down on the corner of 49 and Route 3. It's a popular spot for snowmobiles to stop and have some lunch and dinner. Stop in and say hi to Timmy. There was maybe 15-20 snowmobiles here about an hour ago. So I went home, got the camera. But this is a popular spot. That's the snowmobiles. Over to the left, the snowmobile trail goes over to Chesley's Mini Mart where you can get gas, pizza, sandwiches, oil, maybe spark plugs. He carries a lot of stuff out here. Well, I thought I'd just see if the door is open and take a little video inside. You can see it's well insulated. In the back, there's two bench seats back here. There's a view from the front. Kind of like, it looks like, an old Tucker Snowcat. Far cry from the new ones. I think this one here is a little bit newer than the other one, just from the design point of view. Okay, I think we're going to sign off now. It's been a great year for snowmobiling. I don't know if any of you folks been out there, but the trails were absolutely gorgeous yesterday. Went from Campton across the Three Ponds Trail, over the old coach trail up to Woodstock, Lincoln, then back down here to Campton by the railroad tracks. Absolutely gorgeous ride all day. A couple of snowmobilers, they live up on Ellsworth Hill. Stopped here for dinner. Now they're on their way back home. They were right up the top. Have a good ride, guys.